Under connectivity, we have three apps. First one is for exploring diagrams of connectivity. Again, this is same query language as anywhere else. In this particular case, we're just punching in the cell IDs, and we can see the matching cells and how they are interconnected with each other. There's a bunch of settings here. We can assign different labels to the nodes. We can group the cells that are shown in the diagram by any of these annotations. We can select what is shown, what types of edges are shown, and if they are shown at all. And we can set some thresholds here for minimum synapse connections and how many connections should be shown. All this data can be downloaded and loaded in any of the figure making tools like Cytoscape and so on. So this can be like, and there is multiple options for layout as well. So you can, with different layout options here. There is an app for finding pathways from any neuron to any other neuron. Here you would need to punch in two queries, one for source neurons and one for target neurons, as well as a minimum synapse threshold. And if you want to see pathways between individual cells or cell types or any of these annotations, so there you can group them. So we can try the sample query. So now the sample query is from these two cells to these two cells. These are two photoreceptors and these are two descending cells. And then for any of the source cells and any of the target cells, it will tell what is the shortest pathway. In this case, it's 4 hops. And then from here, you can click and see the pathway. So this is a pathway from a photoreceptor to a descending cell. Along the edges, it shows the synapse weights. So again, this shows the shortest pathway from the source cell, the R8 cell photoreceptor, to this descending cell. Lastly, on the network, connectivity tab, there is a Motifs applet. This is for searching more complex motifs up to size 3. Again, there's a more involved kind of query here. You need to specify for each node what type of node it is, and then for every connection, which direction and what neurotransmitter. But once you form your query, you click, you get all the matching motifs, and you can click through them here. And for every motif, it will show the network as well as the 3D rendering.